Chris Zorn here, MarineMax Baltimore, taking you through the all-new Scout 235 XSF. Start back here. Got a 300 horsepower Mercury engine. One thing to notice here, which is new for Scout design, is the ability to walk fully around the motor without any breaks in the swim platform. Side walkthrough. Over here you have a nice bench seat that folds out. Great for seating while traveling. You have your live well over here on the port side. Cooler underneath the leaning post. Plenty of storage here in the console. The seats here do fold down so you can sit flat, or you can use them as a lean-to. You have your digital shift. Garmin multi-purpose GPS allows you to not only see where you're going or where you're headed, but also has sonar to it as well. Trim indicator switch, which is great so you have an idea where your tabs are at all times, and a Fusion stereo. Moving forward, you have a spot here for a head as well as plenty of storage. Really nice feature of this boat is the coffin box with big bow seating with plenty of storage underneath. Moving forward, you have your removable backrests, storage, insulated storage underneath, and then your recessed bow for your anchor storage. This is the Scout 235 XSF. Please visit our website, stop in, or give us a call. Thanks.